Gonna take a freight train down at the station, Lord, and I ain't never coming back. Gonna climb a mountain, the highest mountain, jump off and nobody gonna know. Can't you see, can't you see what that woman, she's been doing to me? Can't you see, can't you see what that woman, she's been doing to me? Gonna take a freight train down at the station, Lord, and I ain't never coming back. Gonna take a southbound all the way to Georgia now, till that train run out of track. Can't you see, can't you see what that woman, Lord, she's been doing to me? Can't you see, can't you see what that woman, she's been doing to me?
That was great.
Oh, can't you see what that woman's been doing to me? Okay, BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
And welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO, and this is the lovely and the vivacious
Get out of here.
Natasha. Make it known, BOOZHOO, sweetie. Say hello to these people.
BOOZHOO, Gakina. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the show.
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day.
Basic business really win. Nodding and in gold was we. These was we. Nish was we. Jungus we and it was we. We will teach you how to count to 10 in Ojibwe. Mowin. We will teach you how to count to 10 in Ojibwe. Mowin.
Basic nijnes we may win. Nanin and in gold was way. Nij was way. Nish was way. Jungus way and it was way.
We will teach you how to count to 10 in Ojibwe. Mowin. We will teach you how to count to 10 in Ojibwe. Mowin. Basic business winnie win. Nodding and in God was way. Nish was way. Nish was way. Jungus way and Midas way. We will teach you how to count to 10 in Ojibwe. Mowin. Say it. We will teach you how to you want to send us out?
Sure. Well, hey there, everybody. I just want to say, miigwech ganawabi egg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO! Not a BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO!
The podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am not a BOOZHOO, and this is Natasha.
BOOZHOO!
And I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa, hawa. All right. What's next? Say everyone, we have a new book out now for Christmas. It's called BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO Presents Counting to 10 in Ojibwe. And if you'd like to buy it for someone this Christmas, well, just click the link, and it'll redirect you right to Amazon.com. Counting to